Hi and welcome back to another quick guide today. I'll teach you how to download backup photos from Gmail account. Downloading backup photos from your Gmail account helps you recover important images and keep them stored on your device. Photos may be saved in emails, Google Photos, or Google Drive linked to your account. This guide will show you how to download backup photos from your Gmail account on Android. To begin, unlock your Android phone and open the Gmail app. Sign into your Gmail account if needed. Tap the search bar at the top. Type keywords like photos, images, or file types like PNG or JPG. Open an email that contains photo attachments. Scroll down to find the attached images. Tap a photo to preview it. Then tap the download icon if appeared, or tap the three dots, then tap save. Repeat the process for other emails with photos. For bulk access, open Google Photos if your account is synced. Locate backup images in your library. Tap and hold to select multiple photos. Tap the download if available. Open your gallery or file manager to view saved photos. Tip: Gmail itself does not store all photos, so check linked services like Google Photos or Google Drive for full backups. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.